the pricing service standpoint, there would have been a fair bit of observability that you had to set up, right?
Absolutely. Finding errors in price was always like looking for the needle in the haystack, right?
How so?
What happens in the background is a lot of inputs that are coming in to generate a price. You're looking at costs, and costs are split into many. You're looking at holding costs, you're looking at capital costs input in different marketplaces. What's the burn down? What's the inventory health? What's the holding cost? And all of that goes into these equations and you get your prices. And in many cases, you're computing also what's the price elasticity of demand.
Correct.
Because then you know what to price to. And those are computations also that are happening. And all of those come to generate a price. Now, an error in any of these upstream systems will somehow percolate to a bad price.
So how do you spot the anomaly here?
That's an interesting question. So we had a lot of guardrails throughout the system, but we had to get very creative about catching these errors.
Okay.
Look, we insisted on having these guardrails. A price shouldn't change by more than 10 or 15% unless it's put on promotion. Some other checks like these deterministic checks that would flag human attention, right? But that wasn't enough. What we needed to do was build a set of audit systems around the price that look for signals that could indicate a price error.